Hi guys, good day and welcome to Nature's Bliss with Doris, where I take you all on a ride through nature's secret. Welcome on board. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to tighten the vagina using this special clove seed. Like, it's really underrated. This seed works magic when it comes to the vagina. So I'll be teaching you all how to tighten the vagina with clove seed or clove juice or clove water. And basically what you need is just neat cold water, then your clove seed, and then a plastic can or any can with a cover. So what you do, you just need, for a liter of water, you need quarter cup of clove seed. You pour it into the water and then you leave it to soak for 2 days. After 2 days, you notice that the color of the water changes to like a brownish color. That's when you know that all the nutrients have entered into the water. And it's very simple. What you just do is to sieve out the clove seed itself and then put the water in a bottle with cover and just use it to wash your vagina. So you wash the vagina with this clove water morning and evening for 5 days. After 5 days, you stop. You can start after some weeks. Maybe you can give like 2 to 3 weeks interval. But when you wash it morning, evening for 5 days, you stop, and you will notice a difference. There's no way you will not notice a difference. This is very effective for tightening the vagina. And you should know that it shouldn't be used by a pregnant woman. It's not advisable for a pregnant woman to use this because it really tightens the vagina. And not only does it tighten the vagina, it also helps with vaginal infection. Like maybe you are feeling itching, vaginal itching or something, just use this water and then you keep using it till you notice that the itching has reduced, then you stop. It helps, it kills lots of bacteria that disturbs the vagina. Let me also tell you guys another way you can use clove water to tighten the vagina and also for infection. Another way to use clove water to tighten the vagina is using the warm water method. So you just get warm water, put it in a bucket, add a bit of salt, and then add the clove seed to the warm water, then sit on it for a few minutes till you can no longer feel the heat from the water, and then you stand up. It really helps to tighten the vagina and also to kill infections, stop itching also. I kid you not, guys, when I tried this, I was shocked. Like, I was swept off my feet. I could not believe that this works so effectively. So just try it and then come back to give me your observation, your thoughts on this whole thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Have a blissful day. Bye.